Let's take up physical properties of amines. Lower aliphatic amines are gases with fishy smell. Primary amines with 3 or more carbon atoms are liquids, and still higher ones are solids. Aniline and other aryl amines are usually colorless, but they get colored on storage due to atmospheric oxidation. That is, they are highly sensitive to oxidation, they easily get oxidized. Lower aliphatic amines are soluble in water because they can form hydrogen bonds with water molecules. However, solubility decreases with the increase in molecular weight due to increase in size of hydrocarbon part, which is hydrophobic. Alcohols have higher boiling point than amines because alcohols form stronger intermolecular hydrogen bonding than amines. Reason is that oxygen is more electronegative than nitrogen. Alcohols are more soluble in water than amines as they are more polar and can form hydrogen bond to more extent as compared to amines. Primary and secondary amines are engaged in intermolecular association due to hydrogen bonding between nitrogen of one and hydrogen of another molecule. Intermolecular hydrogen bonding in primary amines is lower in secondary amine. Tertiary amine do not form hydrogen bonds because there is no hydrogen attached to nitrogen. Here we have shown the intermolecular hydrogen bonding in primary amines. Because there are two hydrogen atoms, therefore extent of hydrogen bonding is more. In secondary amine, there is one hydrogen attached to nitrogen, another is alkyl group, therefore extent of hydrogen bonding is less in secondary. Tertiary amine, no hydrogen bonding because nitrogen is not attached with any hydrogen. Boiling point of primary amine will be maximum because of greatest hydrogen bonding, and secondary amine will be more than the tertiary amine because of more hydrogen bonding. Tertiary amine will be lowest because of least or no hydrogen bonding. Let's take up comparison of boiling point of amines, alcohols and alkanes of same molecular mass. Alcohol will have highest boiling point because of maximum intermolecular hydrogen bonding. Then amines will have second highest 350.8 for normal butyl amine. Normal butyl alcohol has 390, which is highest. Diethyl amine has lower because of branching, it is and secondary amine. Tertiary amine will have even lower because least hydrogen bonding or no hydrogen bonding. This is hydrocarbon which will have lowest among all these because it is non-polar. Next, we are taking basic character of amines. First question is, why are amines basic in nature? Answer is because they have lone pair of electron present on nitrogen. Amines being basic in nature, now because they are basic, so they will react with acid to form salt. RNH2 reacts with hydrogen halide to form corresponding salt. Aniline, when treated with HCl, we will get anilinium chloride. Amine salts are treatment with base like NaOH regenerate the parent amine. This is salt formed with OH ion. It will give RNH2 water plus halide ion separated. Amines when dissolved in water, they'll form RNH3 positive, that is protonated amine plus OH ion is formed. Expression for equilibrium constant K, it will be equal to molar concentration of RNH3 positive into molar concentration of OH ion and divided by molar concentration of alkyl amine into molar concentration of water. Now water is weak electrolyte, its concentration is almost constant, so we have brought it this side and remaining part remain the same. And this equilibrium constant into molar concentration of water is called base dissociation constant. So this is the expression for base dissociation constant. Remember, higher the value of Kb, stronger will be the base. pKb is minus log of Kb. So the higher the value of Kb, lower will be value of pKb and stronger will be the base. That is the way of identifying that which is stronger, which is weaker. If you are asked how will you test that amines are basic in nature, so amines when put in water they give OH ion. If you add ferric chloride, they will give reddish brown precipitate of ferric hydroxide by which they can be identified. pKb values of amines in aqueous solution. Methenamine has 3.38. N-methyl methenamine, that is secondary amine, has 3.27. It has got lower pKb, means it is stronger than methylamine. Reason is it has got two alkyl groups which are electron releasing. Now, tertiary amine, N,N-dimethyl methenamine, should be most basic because of 3-methyl group, but it is least basic because of steric hindrance or bulky alkyl group do not allow the lone pair to take part in bond formation with or donation to any positive ion or H positive ion. So, protonation of tertiary amine is least possible because of steric hindrance. So among primary, secondary and tertiary amine in methylamine, dimethylamine and trimethylamine, most basic is dimethylamine followed by methylamine, least is trimethylamine. In ethanamine, primary amine is less basic than secondary amine, but tertiary amine is more basic than primary amine. So here order differs, that secondary amine is most basic, then comes tertiary amine and then comes primary amine. Here inductive effect dominates over steric hindrance. That is, two ethyl group which are electron releasing. There are three ethyl group which are electron releasing, which electron releasing effect is much more than the steric hindrance. That is why tertiary amine, this is the only exception where tertiary amine is more basic than primary amine. Next, benzeneamine we are taking. It is quite less basic as compared to aliphatic amine because phenyl group is electron withdrawing and there is positive charge on nitrogen in 3 out of 5 resonating structure. But if you take phenyl methenamine, in which NH2 group is not directly attached to benzene ring, basic character increases and its pKb value decreases. N-methyl aniline is more basic than aniline because methyl group is electron releasing. And N,N-dimethyl aniline is more basic than even N-methyl aniline because there are two methyl groups which are electron releasing. Structure basicity relationship of amines. Now question is why amines are more basic than ammonia. Reason is that methyl group being electron releasing, electron density on nitrogen increases, making them more basic. Another explanation is that protonation of alkyl amine, that ammonium ion which is formed, alkyl ammonium ion which is formed, it is more stable than ammonium ion because alkyl group is electron releasing. That is the reason alkyl amines are more basic than ammonia. Here more stable ammonium ion is formed and here less stable ammonium ion is formed. Decreasing order of extent of hydrogen bonding in water and order of stability of ions formed by solvation is also responsible for basic nature. So secondary amines are most basic because its cation is most soluble. Tertiary amines are least basic because its cation formed is least soluble and it forms minimum hydrogen bond with water molecules. This forms maximum hydrogen bonds with water molecules. This is primary amine which is forming maximum hydrogen bonds, so its solubility will be more, and here solubility is less. Tertiary amines are least soluble in water because least hydrogen bonding. This is the order. Diethylamine is more than triethylamine. Triethylamine is more basic than ethylamine, which is more basic than ammonia. And this is exceptional order. CH3 twice NH is more basic than primary amine, but primary amine is more basic than tertiary amine, which is more basic than ammonia. This order is followed in aqueous solution. If by chance you are asked in gaseous phase, then definitely tertiary amines are more basic than secondary and secondary are more basic than primary, which are more basic than ammonia in gaseous phase. Aryl amine versus ammonia. Aryl amines are less basic than ammonia because phenyl group is electron withdrawing. This is the resonating structure of aniline. The lone pair of electron takes part in double bond formation. There is positive charge on nitrogen and pair of electron, pi electron shift to ortho position, we get negative charge at ortho position. In next resonating structure, the pi electron shift to para position and this negative and this positive forms a double bond. Negative charge comes at para position and double bonds are parallel. This part remains the same. Now what happens? This negative charge shifts to ortho position, pi electron shifts to ortho position, negative charge, this end becomes positive, positive and negative forms a double bond, we get this resonating structure. Finally, this pair of electron takes part in double bond formation, lone pair goes back to nitrogen, we get fifth resonating structure of aniline. So if you are asked why aniline is less basic than aliphatic amines or cyclohexyl amine, your answer is that 3 out of 5 resonating structure, there is positive charge on nitrogen, due to which aniline is less basic than ammonia as well as aliphatic amines. Second reason is anilinium ion is stabilized by resonance. That is, protonated aniline, which is called anilinium ion, is stabilized by two resonating structure. That is also reason that protonated aniline is basic in nature because of stabilization of protonated aniline, that is anilinium ion. But they are not as stable as compared to aliphatic protonated amines. Reason being, here phenyl group is electron withdrawing, which will increase positive charge on the anilinium ion. So no doubt they are resonance stabilized, but they are destabilized by electron withdrawing nature of phenyl group. Another question which we can answer here is that electrophilic substitution reaction in aniline will take place at ortho and para position because negative charge is ortho and para position. The third question is why nucleophilic substitution reaction in aniline do not take place readily. Answer is due to double bond character between 3 out of 5 resonating structure between carbon and nitrogen. This bond cannot break easily. That is why direct removal of NH2 group is not possible. Rather, we make diazonium salt first and then remove with desired group.